By seamlessly integrating Deepseek with your cursor editor, you can transform your development workflow and unlock your coding potential. To begin, navigate to the Extensions panel in Cursor, search for Deepseek, and install it. This will reveal the Deepseek sidebar. Establish the connection by entering your Deepseek API key, typically found in your account settings, and then click Connect to authorize. With Deepseek integrated, you can now query it directly about your code, asking for explanations, improvements, or bug identification. Deepseek analyzes your code to provide clear explanations within the editor, aiding in understanding complex or legacy code. To generate new code, select a code section and use the context menu to have Deepseek create code based on your specifications. Deepseek quickly generates relevant code snippets, accelerating prototyping and feature development. Debugging is streamlined. Paste error messages or problem descriptions into Deepseek to identify and resolve issues. Deepseek analyzes your code in context to offer targeted fixes, significantly reducing time spent on bug hunting. Deepseek acts as your AI pair programmer, offering advanced features like refactoring suggestions and intelligent code completion. Integrating Deepseek with Cursor elevates your experience beyond a mere editor, empowering you with an intelligent assistant for increased productivity and efficiency.